Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just popping in to invite you guys to a Master Cleanse Challenge. I'm doing a Master Cleanse Challenge and I'm also doing it with a friend of mine, family friend, close friend. She's like a sister to me. And I just figured I would invite you guys to join in the challenge as well. So today is May the 3rd. It's a Monday, 2021. And if you want to join the challenge, we can make our official day tomorrow. I'll leave all of the information that you need to get started in the description box below, as well as a playlist of videos that you can watch to get you prepared. On the East Coast here in Florida, it's 4 p.m. So you definitely still have time to get all your supplies. You may actually have some things on hand anyway, like the lemons, but I'll just run through really quick what you'll need in case you want to just watch this video and then run out and get what you need. So you're going to need 1 to 2 bags of lemons. That'll hold you through the first week. You don't want to get more than that because then they'll start to go bad. You'll need, and preferably organic lemons, but you can do the conventional if you don't have that available in your area, or if you want to do conventional. So you need 1 to 2 bags of lemons. You'll need dark maple syrup, organic, and if you're following the book, or if you saw, somewhere online that they're calling for grade B maple syrup, they recently, not really recently, but a few years ago, they changed the grading system to all of it is grade A. They just name it either dark or amber. So you definitely want the dark one, the dark maple syrup, because the dark maple syrup is the one that has more nutrients, and you're definitely going to need it because we're fasting. So that's the 2 bags of lemons, organic preferably, your grade A dark maple syrup, organic. You'll need cayenne pepper, organic cayenne pepper, and that you're going to sprinkle into your lemonade mixture. You'll also need smooth move tea. I like to get the one that has peppermint because it's easier on your tummy. If you're going to do the saltwater flush, you can get coarse sea salt. A lot of people like the pink Himalayan sea salt, or you can just get regular coarse kosher sea salt. Definitely don't want to get the regular table salt that has iodine and other chemicals and things in there that you do not need. I feel like that's it. Your smooth move tea, your sea salt for your saltwater flush if you're choosing to do that, your organic lemons, your grade A dark maple syrup, your cayenne pepper, organic, and I did leave one thing out. You need water. So you're going to need some spring water, and what I like to do is just get like the gallons of that, or if you want to do like a more convenient route, you can get the spring water in bottles, but we're trying to not use too much plastic these days, so pick which one you want to do. If you do the plastic bottles, you can like pour the water out, make your concoction, and pour it back in, and then it'll just be a grab and go situation from there. Or you can have some 8-ounce containers ready for you to pour your lemonade in, and then use that as grab and go, which is definitely like a better choice for the environment and everything, but it's up to you. So yeah, if you want to do this cleanse with us, we'll make the official start date tomorrow, which will be Tuesday, May 4th, 2021. But if you're watching this video anytime, you can just hop in, just follow along, and have a great cleanse with us. Also recommend doing like your measurements, your weight, the morning of your start, so you can kind of track your progress with how that goes, whether it's water weight or fat loss or anything like that. Some of you guys may have those scales that also can tell you your fat composition, like what percentage of your body is fat. I just got one of those actually, and I haven't figured out how to work it yet, but I did turn it on. I put the batteries in, and I'm able to tell my weight. But I know that there's other functions. I think it comes with an app that I can download, which will tell me body fat, which is like a really good thing to track, not just weight, you know. So if you're interested in checking that out, I'll leave that in the description box below. Like I said, though, I don't really have a review on it because I just got it. And yeah, I think that's it. If you have any questions about the cleanse or anything, just leave it in the comment section below. And I don't know if I'm going to post every day or not, but I'll definitely do updates so we can check in and see how we're doing. You can also message me on my Facebook page, Natural Vegan Mama, if you have any questions that you don't want to leave in the comments below. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy cleansing and take care. Bye.